Hello children, again we are here to discuss new chapter synthetic fibers and plastics. Before proceeding our chapter, I would like to tell you subscribe our channel. If you like videos, then like video and share with your friends. And don't forget to click on bell icon because you will get all the notifications regarding your educational videos. Now proceed our topic. In this chapter, we will discuss about how fabric is made from fiber. Second, types of fibers means natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Basically, in this chapter, we will discuss about synthetic fibers. Then, types of synthetic fibers like rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic, and after that we will discuss about plastics. So first of all we will discuss how fabric is prepared from fiber. What students, whatever clothes we wear, those are made of fabrics, and fabrics are made from fibers, and these fibers are obtained from natural or artificial sources. First of all, we will discuss what is fiber. Actually, fiber is a very thin thread-like strand from which fabric or cloth is made. In your previous classes, already you have learned how fabric is made from fibers. As fibers are obtained from their sources as raw materials, then these fibers are twisted to make thread. That thread is called yarn. Then by the process of weaving or knitting, these yarns are converted into fabric. In this way we get fabrics. Before proceeding our next topic, one word I would like to tell you. That word is polymer. Now what is polymer? Students, as you see locket which we wear, we hang in our neck. That locket is made of small beads arranged with thread. So those small beads and locket, think, keep these 2 points in your mind. So first of all, what is a polymer? So your locket is a polymer, and those small beads are small molecules. Those small molecules are known as monomers. So what is a polymer? Polymer is a very big molecule formed by the combination of a large number of small molecules, and those small molecules are known as monomers. For example, as we are taking here one example, that is cotton fiber. Actually, cotton fiber is a natural fiber, and it is made of natural polymer, and that natural polymer is known as cellulose. This cellulose polymer is made up of a large number of small glucose molecules. Means cellulose is a polymer and glucose is monomer, right? Now, on the basis of origin of fibers, fibers are divided into two types: natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers are obtained from natural sources. These natural sources may be plants, may be animals. In your previous class, already you have learned cotton, jute, flax are obtained from plants, and wool and silk are obtained from animals. Now synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are man-made fibers. These are made by human beings by using chemical substances in industries. That is why these are also called artificial fibers. Next, mainly in our chapter, we will discuss about synthetic fibers. Already we have discussed what are synthetic fibers. So, synthetic fibers are man-made fibers which are prepared by using chemical substances in industries by a chemical process and that chemical process is known as polymerization. Means a polymer is made from the combination of monomers. By which process? Polymerization. Right? Now here we will discuss about four major types of synthetic fibers: rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic. First we will discuss about rayon. Actually, rayon is a man-made fiber. Means it is artificial fiber and prepared from a natural raw material, cellulose, by chemical treatment. Students, as I told you, rayon is a artificial fiber, but before that I told you that the fibers which are obtained from natural sources, those are what you call natural fibers. But in rayon, raw material is taken from natural source and raw material is cellulose, but it is treated chemically. That is why it is artificial fiber. Right? Rayon is chemically identical to cotton. Means its polymer is cellulose. That is why chemically it is identical to cotton. But its appearance, means its shine is like silk. Its shine is like silk. That is why it is regarded as artificial silk. Right? Nowadays, rayon is used in place of natural silk. Why? Because due to more demand, natural silk cannot be supplied. Second thing, natural silk is costly, but this rayon, which is regarded as artificial silk, is cheaper than natural silk. Second thing, rayon can be dyed in various colors. In various colors it can be dyed. That is why nowadays in place of natural silk, rayon is used. There are various uses of rayon. In textile industries, rayon is used for making saris, blouses, dresses, socks, etc. In home furnishing, rayon is used, like for making bed sheets, curtains, blankets, and carpets. In medical field, rayon is also used for making bandage, surgical dressings, etc. And in automobile industries, rayon is also used for making the cord of tires. One background picture is given here. This is the cord of tire, which is made by rayon. Right? Acha, one thing I would like to tell you. For making bed sheets, curtains, and blankets, rayon is mixed with cotton. For making bed sheets, curtains, and blankets, rayon is mixed with cotton. And for making carpets, rayon is mixed with wool. Understood? Now some questions are here to discuss on the basis of our discussed topic. Why some fibers are called synthetic fibers? So students, you have to give your answer in description box. If you have any doubt, you can write and I will clear you. Second question, mark the correct answers. It is multiple choice question. Rayon is different from synthetic fibers because. Why rayon is different from other synthetic fibers? 3 options are given here. So one option is correct. Right? You find out one correct answer. Question number 3, fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Synthetic fibers are also called dash or dash fibers. You have to fill 2 words, appropriate words. B, synthetic fibers are synthesized from raw materials called. You have to fill appropriate word. Next question, question number 4, multiple choice again. Pick the synthetic fiber out of the following: cotton, nylon, jute, wool. Which is synthetic fiber? Right? In this question, answer is given with full explanation. You can read and you can give your proper answer. And also you can understand. Second question of this question, which of the following is a source of rayon? Wool, pet, wood pulp, silk. This answer I would like to discuss with you. Actually the correct answer is wood pulp. Now student, what is wood pulp? Actually the raw material of rayon is cellulose, which is taken from wood. Actually wood blocks are crushed and converted into wood pulp. Right? That wood pulp is in the form of solution. Okay? And that wood pulp is dissolved in sodium hydroxide solution. After dissolving with sodium hydroxide solution, wood pulp is converted into sticky liquid that sticky liquid is viscous, right? And then that viscous or sticky liquid is passed through the tiny holes of a metallic cylinder. That metallic cylinder is known as spinneret, right? After passing through tiny holes, this viscous is converted into, means it is taken in a solution of sulfuric acid, right? Then small thread like structures are formed in this sulfuric acid solution from that viscous, that sticky liquid. In this way rayon fibers are obtained. Okay, now we have completed full chapter, full topic of rayon up to rayon. Remaining topic we will discuss, we will learn in our next video. Students, watch this video and try to solve these questions. Whatever problems you have, write in our description box and discuss with me. Definitely I will give you reply and clear your doubt. And again I would like to remind you that don't forget to subscribe our channel, share our channel among your friends, and if you like this video then like. Thank you.